Hello, welcome to another episode of Inspiring Youth. This is show number 2, and this one we're going to focus a little bit on business. During the summer, I caught up with Halton Business Development. They have their Summer Company program. I was one of the mentors for that program and thought it'd be interesting to do a show with some of the young people that were on there. There was a number of them that were doing some great things, and thought, you know what? Well, let's do a show and see what they have to say. And so we went to the Summer Company program. We were a mentor. We've had them on this show before. In fact, Halton Business Development has been on our show since season 1. I think every year. I think we may have missed 1 year where we did not showcase something that they were doing. So we've been friends of them for a long time. In fact, when I was mentoring the young students and sitting in on some of the sessions, it got me to thinking that that's where I started my business 17 years ago. I went to Halton. I didn't know where to go. I went to Halton Business Development, and they had a bunch of programs going on at the library, and I signed up for every program. Every program at the time, I think they had 6 sessions set up. They were all worth $25 a piece. Not that they were worth that, but that's what they were costing. I signed up for all 6 in case I did not make any money. You know, I think everybody's business makes money out of the gate. I thought if I don't make $150 this year, at least I will have paid for the sessions. That's right, I'm the CEO. That's what I was thinking, though. And you know what? It was probably the best $150 that I ever spent, because since then, I've gone on to register my business through Halton Business Development. I've used their consulting services over the years. I've been part of a lot of their youth programs over the year. And they actually, this year, they had a speaker there that I had seen speak 5 or 6 years ago, and he was just starting out, and now he's on the circuit speaking today as well. So it's great to see young people go through. It's great to see. I'm not even an employee, and I'm probably one of the oldest employees. I think everybody except for maybe one, and one of them just retired this year. Everybody else I've outlived at Halton Business Development. So I've been around for a long time, and I've always felt that what the services they offer are very valuable to the community. If you're starting a business, I would certainly suggest you go there and check them out. Over the years, I've been friends with many of them. And so this year, we're focusing on them again, and we're starting them out. I was part of their Summer Company program, and we've had a number of them on over the years. And so we're going to talk to a few young people in this first part here. We've got Durfshan Rezwali. Now, she started a card company. So she started a gift card company, which you don't hear a lot of young people starting about. We talked with Saksham Goel. He started an internet website company for small businesses. Isabel Rocha started a cleaning company, and not only in Halton here, but she's got a division in Guelph, because that's where she goes to university. Talk about thinking large scale and top of mind. And then we're going to talk to Prince Khan, who was in charge of the Summer Company. We'll talk to him after the break. So here's some of the conversations I had about why they've started their business. And as you remember, in season 8 here, I want to know why people are doing what they're doing. Are they doing it just because they thought it was a cool idea, or is there a passion inside their heart to say, this is what I want to do? So let's get on to some of those conversations that I had with these sharp young people in season 8 to find out exactly why they were at the Summer Company, why they were starting their business, and how they expected to make it successful over long term.